Sometimes it feels like we could work 24/7 and still not catch up. Whilst working long hours may be necessary in the short term to meet deadlines, in the long term, losing the balance of having life outside of work can be damaging to productivity as well as to our physical and mental health. Having a release valve, an activity that releases stress and frustration, is vital to enable you to recharge and bring you back to a productive state. It could be as simple as time with the family, walking your dog, or a boxing class, whatever allows you to release any stress and anxiety. When you know what your release valve is, the thing that enables you to reconnect and recharge your energy, it means that when you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or anxious, you can activate your release valve, reset and regroup, and get back to being productive again. What's your release valve?